It's Kitchen Courses with Kate and Eric.
Hi, Eric.
Hi, Kate.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
So are you ready to talk about our dish?
I am, because they were delicious.
They were. So we decided to do some shish kebabs for just outside spring and summer grilling, because who doesn't enjoy some shish? I don't know. I love shish kebabs.
They were tasty.
They were.
If you don't have a grill, can you do them some way else?
Yes. So this recipe is brilliant because you actually microwave the vegetables for a little bit prior to putting them on the skewers and putting them in the grill. So you're almost, it's kind of like if you like parboil something, you cook it a little bit. You're doing that in the microwave with the vegetables ahead of time. So you could easily do these under a broiler as well. So you would just follow the same recipe that we're going to talk you through and just do them under the broiler. You would want kind of a baking pan underneath to hold them up. But yeah, you could do them. You don't want to just put them under the broiler.
So we grilled them.
We did.
And they're tasty.
They are.
How did we get them to the grill?
How do we get them to the grill? Okay, so the recipe calls for 2 pounds of tri-tip sirloin, and it's recommended that you actually get the whole piece of meat and you cut it yourself rather than getting any kind of pre-cut meat. So you're gonna get the meat, we pricked it all over with a fork on the front side and the back side, and then we cut them into like 1.5 by 1.5 inch cubes. That's what you're striving for. So you're gonna cut the meat up, chop the meat up. You're gonna want to you can pre-cut your vegetables. So 2 bell peppers.
And more color with the peppers, the better.
Yes. So I didn't just use red. Did I just say red?
You said bell peppers.
I did say bell peppers. So yeah, we used red and yellow. I'm not a big fan of green peppers, but that's neither here nor there for this episode. 10-ounce container of like small button mushrooms and a red onion. And with the red onion, you also want to make sure that when you cut it in half first, you take out the core, because the core doesn't work very well. It's not a very nice flat piece to skewer it. You're going to want to let the meat marinate. So this marinade is, you're going to take 3/4 cup of olive oil and a 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 4 cloves of garlic, and a generous kind of grind or huge kind of, I would say about a teaspoon of black pepper. So you're gonna mix, as we did, we mixed it up in a measuring cup, and we poured all but 1/3 of the marinade into a bowl and then put the meat in the bowl. We're gonna cover that and marinate for at least 1 hour, or up to 2, but you don't wanna go much more over 2 hours because the meat will soak in all the salt from the soy sauce.
What can we use when we're marinating?
So I like to use kind of a flat container or a more flat bottom container, and then you can put that in, mix it up, and then just put a plate on top. Okay.
Let's talk about eating meat.
So can I just talk about the vegetables for 1 more minute?
Yeah.
And then we talk about eating meat.
Because then you're gonna microwave them.
Yeah. So after you've marinated the vegetables, do you want to talk about that part? I'm sorry, I'm just babbling.
After you marinate the vegetables, you're going to put them in the microwave with some plastic wrap on them.
I know. So we're saving the plastic wrap. And you need the plastic wrap. Oh man. Because you want to like seal it in and you want like it to become...
It's gotta be a tight seal.
Yeah, it needs to be. Okay.
So you have your vegetables marinated in the bowl. You put plastic wrap on it. Get a nice tight seal. You microwave it for 3 minutes. Mm-hmm. Wait to see if the onions have become somewhat translucent.
Yes.
If they have not become somewhat translucent, microwave them further. We did an additional 2 minutes.
Further. So we did 3 and then 2. Yep.
For a total of 5. Then our vegetables were ready. Then we pulled our skewers out of our pan of water where they've been soaking for at least 1 hour. 60 minutes. Not the Sunday night TV show. And then we started skewering our kebabs with meat, some combination of meat and vegetables, and ending in meat. Why is that important, Kate?
That's important because the vegetables have a tendency to kind of become a little more fragile when they're grilling, and so if you start and end with the meat, then you're keeping everything just more consolidated and on the skewer.
And then we grilled it.
Yeah. So you want to heat, we have a gas grill, and so we heated the gas grill up for about 5 to 7 minutes ahead of time on high heat, and then we put them on. We put them on for a medium-high heat for 2 minutes. Check them, turn them over after 2 minutes, put them back on for another 2 minutes, check them again, turn them, and then have them on for another 2 minutes. So we only cooked these for about 6 minutes, but you and I both like kind of more medium cooked meat. So that was great for medium. If you're more interested in well done, then I would say put them on for closer to 10. And if you like them more rare, I would say take them off sooner.
Don't even grill them.
Don't even grill them. Carpaccio. That's raw meat.
Gross. They're tasty.
Yeah, I mean, the marinade, just the combination of that soy sauce and the olive oil, I mean, everything is just really, has a nice flavor profile. I taste a little hint of garlic. It's not an overpowering flavor, and yeah, there's a nice saltiness to it from the soy sauce. And we served it, so if you're having a party, you could do a nice just green salad or fattoush salad, which is more of a Middle Eastern salad, and rice. We just cooked up some rice and served it when we were eating as we were shooting. So some rice, a nice salad, some pita bread, and some kebab, and you have a great little party right there. What do you think?
I think it's delicious.
I think we need to cut the part about.
Hi, Kate.
Hi, Eric. We're back.
Well, we've been back for 3 episodes.
Oh, have we?
2 episodes.
What? Oh, we have been back
This is
for 2
kebabs.
See, I think Eric can just like slice and dice everything. Oh, did you see the video of the penguins living on like a big island of plastic? That was pretty heart-wrenching. So, say